morning. We are walking for coffee. That's where we're headed. We just woke up. It's about 7:30, and we're going to go to Johnny Rockets. So we're headed there now. We'll see you in a second. Guys, sat down and take a look at the menu here. That's a pretty extensive menu for breakfast. Wow. So it looks like the breakfast sandwich is the winner here. All right, I'm going to check it out. I'll be right back, all right? Okay, guys. So I went with the breakfast sandwich. Man, the menu looks really good. Now, there's some upcharges on the menu, but I didn't select the burger. But it's $5 max. I think that was the biggest charge. And that was like a cheeseburger with egg on it. And me and eggs, I got the egg up, sorry. Eggs and lettuce do not mix, in my opinion, when it comes to breakfast. So I decided not to have the burger for breakfast this morning. Anyway, so that's the beginning of the morning. We are heading to Allure. And we're going to go see some different things than what we did last time. So we're going to bring you along, of course. What else? I'll be back, show you guys breakfast, of course. All right, I'll be right back. Breakfast just arrived, so I'll show you the photos here. But the scramble looks like the winner. I should have had the scramble. But my breakfast sandwich looks good, and it's not too big. That's what I like about it, so I won't be over... It won't be too bad. Let's give it a... And they slice the sausages. Let's see. Oh, good. Yeah, I like that. It's a great fried egg. Perfect amount of start the day off with. All right, we'll see you guys in a minute.
Area, which would have made it very, very unsafe for everyone. And as you know, safety is our number one priority on board for each and every one of you. So we have made the decision to make today a full day at sea.
Well, breakfast was great. I wish I had had the scramble, but lesson learned. My sandwich was still good. Yeah, so we're going to go check out these waves. Oh, yeah, they're huge. So, yeah, this is why we couldn't go to port today. All right, we'll be right back. Well, we found the back stage area of the Aqua Arena, and what a magnificent shot this is. I just took a picture of it and posted on Instagram. It is so cool. Wow, look at that. Isn't that amazing? To me, all this at sea, it's just on a boat, you know, it's just amazing how the engineers put these types of ships together. It's just amazing. All right, so our port of call was canceled for today, unfortunately, but that doesn't mean we're not going to continue the vlogs. We're just waiting for events to be uploaded, and we'll update you guys for the day as soon as we get more information. We'll figure it out. All right, see you soon. Alright guys, got a Frappuccino at Starbucks. Ooh, yeah. You know, this is nice to be able to just have something from land. Anyways, I wanted to do a shout out because we had some followers of the channel approach me today. And Darla, nice to meet you and your family. That was a very nice chat. Yeah, if you're ever on the ship and you see me, please just say hello. I'd be happy to meet you and tell yeah, all about me or vice versa. I'd love to know you. It's nice to have a face to the name sometimes, so please always come by and say hello. And so anyways, hi Darla, it's nice to meet you and your family again. All right guys, we're getting ready to go out and have some lunch because our port of call got canceled today. We decided that they're offering a brunch and well, why not? Let's go have a sit down and enjoy, and I'll bring you guys along. See you in a minute. Bye-bye. All right, everybody, grab the GoPros to do some mini golf. All right, we'll show you guys right now.
Try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad. I don't say goodbye, I don't do this stuff. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Whoa. You should know why I'm not them at night. My love, my love, my love. You found, you lost. Told me I was everything you wanted, and now I'm haunted. Your ghost is
All right, guys, just did some mini golf, and guess who lost today? Me. I lost by, what, 2 strokes? That last hole I didn't do very well. All right, guys, it is dinner time. Had a great afternoon, just chilled out, and we're headed to dinner now. See you in a minute. All right, guys, made it to dinner, and so the dinner menu tonight is Mexican night, and so I had the poblano soup, and then for my entree I did the pulled pork enchiladas, and of course I had to keep talking about these sweet rolls. I'm telling you, these things are the best, right? I know Mom doesn't eat them, but they are that good. And then I had another Texas tea. Welcome to Texas. All right, guys, I'll show you the food as it comes. Cheers. Okay, I almost forgot to talk to you guys. This is the roasted poblano soup, and I'm telling you right now, it is so delicious, guys. So it's Mexican night on the menu, and I'm telling you right now, winner. Good stuff. Mom is like saying the same thing. Okay. All right, great start for dinner. All right, see you in a minute. All right, guys, so my corn cakes just arrived, and they look phenomenal, first of all. So take a look at those. Oh my gosh. All right, so so the avocado salsa, I like that it's not loaded with avocado. So I get the, kind of reminds me of the pancake. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's see. Yeah. Oh, good stuff, guys. Outstanding. I like that the roasted bell pepper's on the side. So if I want to cut and have a piece of bell pepper with this, amazing. Awesome. All right, guys. So far, so good. Bye. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh, this isn't an enchilada. This is more like a burrito. And yeah, look at how gorgeous this entree looks. It is right up my alley. So they have pinto beans on the bottom of the plate and some crema on the top with some fresh salsa. And oh my gosh, wow. All right, guys, I'll come back with a bite. See you in a second. All right, guys, let me try this. Look at the beans and the salsa. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Oh yeah. Oh. Wow. Okay. Winner. All the layers are there. Oh my gosh. Great job. It's super fresh. Thank you. All right, guys. Wow, what a day! Fun day here at sea. We went and saw the comedy show after dinner. That was really great. It's a very small, little, tiny room for this size of ship. It's really small, but we had a reservation, so we had our seat ready to go. Had a great time. Dinner was fantastic tonight. Yeah, so we got an early date for tomorrow. We're going to Cozumel, and we're going to Paradise Beach. So, yeah, gonna get the coffee card filled out right now, put it on the door, and we are gonna have some coffee in the morning, and we'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing. And if you are, do me a favor, click that thumbs up, and if you haven't, please consider to subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Thank you. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.